Alright guys, Connor here, back for the fifth and final Matcap video. I'm just going to do another rotation on this before we move on to the next slide, which are actually, believe it or not, some even crazier Matcaps. Again, like I said, these are all going to be available, everything you've seen, all the files, all the spline files, all the Matcap images, for just $4 for everything on my Gumroad. If you like the lessons and you want to support me, that's a great way to do it. If you want my Cash App too, just let me know. I can happily send you that too as well. Just kidding. I just went grocery shopping, so I should be able to survive a little bit, but we'll see how that goes. So, yeah, as you can see, basically taught you all the basics as you rotate. As you can see in this image, on the bottom left of all these things, you're going to get exactly what you see in the bottom left of that image. As opposed to this one, which has the orange in the middle and the side, that's what you're going to get. You're going to get the orange in the direct center and the orange shining, reflecting on the side. Yada, yada, yada. So, spinning around shapes with flat surfaces is a great way to check out how a Matcap looks. And then also finding something on Turbo Squid as detailed as this human face is, which I never actually scrolled in close enough. It's pretty creepy how detailed this is. But this is a great way to see if you like the look and effect. You know what? Let's check out all these faces. Pretty crazy, right? Ooh, a chromium metallic blue one. So wild looking. All right, let's move on to the last file, and these are the wildest ones. And yeah, they'll be included in that file if you feel like downloading it. All right, guys, we're going to take these crazy ones one at a time because they really are wild. Here's that cloud image I showed you in the first Matcap video. It affects all these different shapes in totally different ways. But the clouds moving around on these images are awesome. It looks great on this sphere right here. Like I said, when you rotate, obviously the light source or the image is going to stay in the same place, but when you actually change your perspective around the object, you get all sorts of wild stuff. Things with flat surfaces are going to make these crazy, different puzzle pieces that connect together. Things that are spherical are going to make this wild kind of fisheye look. And then, the combinations you get between the two, like on stuff like this, this 8 right here, are super cool, super funky. Oh, there's a little preview of what's to come, but look at that. How sick is that? So cool. Persian soccer ball. Woo! That's awesome. Like, that's a sick animation, just right there in itself. You could sell that to a client. All right. Number 2, here's that crystal facet we were looking at before. Again, puzzle pieces for flat-shaped images, showing all the different colors available on the faceted diamond. Super cool effects on this human face and this soccer ball. It's like a crystal soccer ball. Here's that gradient. The more you rotate around, the more kind of cool effects you're going to be getting from this stuff. Here's like a mountain view or a view of some clouds and a road. Again, the round stuff is going to be showing off this stuff the best. Like, this would be awesome to add this soccer ball to like a build of something like that included like the sky and grass and all that stuff, and you put this soccer ball in the middle, like it's actually like reflecting all that stuff. That'd be, so cool. So yeah, that's Matcaps basically, in in short explanation. You can keep stacking all sorts of wild stuff like glass and coming up with all sorts of cool ideas, seeing through each other, combining, yada yada. See you soon.